Hello mga ka-arts and ka-savings. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bacolod Cathedral. Founded pa ito noong 1876 and inaugurated noong January 20, 1882. 6 centuries na, tagal na, no? I've been serving this parish cathedral for almost for more than 30 years also. I've been there also as an organist, and then also a choir director here. Okay, patuloy tayo sa kwento natin nung uh, yung kagandahan ng save and buy. And nung una, nung may gustong-gusto ko ng music edition na cellphone nung Nokia time, uh, ang mahal-mahal pa. And sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailan ko kaya makukuha yan? In short, nakukuha ko in months, and then good on save and buy muna, and nakabuild ako na mas maganda pa doon, and nakasave ako ng ilang mga money, and then nilaan ko para sa schooling ng aking anak. And yan ang kagandahan ng save and buy again. And thank you, and once again, see you again. Thank you again.